Hello and welcome. If you are looking to switch to a new phone number for your WeChat, then you have come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change a WeChat phone number. Well, for that, the first step is launching your WeChat, and once there, on the bottom section, you can see me. Let's select this. Now go to settings. From there, we need to navigate to account security. Let's go there. In here, we can see our phone number section. Let's go there again. Now, since we want to change our phone number, just go to change mobile and enter your new phone number in there. Just enter the new phone number and click on next at the top section, and your new phone number is set for your WeChat account. That's how you change your mobile number in WeChat, guys. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding changing WeChat phone number, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.